Welcome to Wildcat. Today we got a match play with our boy from Scotland. Let's go. Hole number one, got a nice little match play today. We got nothing but water to think about, so don't think about it. Okay, so somehow my ball kicked here in the sand and it jumped up here into this nasty rough. I don't know if I would have preferred to stay in the bunker or sit in that, so I'm going to see how it comes out of this stuff. Short right. Boy, we could have picked a better day to play golf. It's like 70 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky. That's great contact. Ooh, just short, but that's in a good spot. All right, one down. I apologize for the terrible camera work there. I was running all over the place. Just an excuse. Just pick it up, Zach. Let's go. Pick it up. So I want to introduce you guys to my opponent today. His name is Robert. Robert, tell us a little bit about yourself, sir.
How's it going? Moved to Houston, Texas in January this year from Dubai. Been playing golf just about every day ever since. And I'm here to try and show these On The Fringe boys how it's done in Scottish style.
He says this wind is nothing. It's not even windy. It's only like 20 miles an hour. Nothing to it. Should be a good match. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like what you're seeing, smash the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Share it with all your friends. Let us know how you're doing. We'll see you on Sunday for the On The Fringeys. Hey, hit an iron to get it in play, and I don't know. This is a tricky hole because the water jets in up there. So let's see. All right, Robert, what you got here?
213 to the middle, 4 iron.
213 to the middle, 4 iron. Boy's hitting the gym. Change of club. Too much wind, downwind. He's going to change to the 5 iron. Oh, chunky. In the water. That's good contact. It's drawing over towards the flag. The wind is carrying it. I landed a little short. Should have hit the 4. All right, I have 157 downwind. It feels like it's a lot of wind, but it's actually not kicking as much as it was earlier. So I'm just gonna hit my 150 club and see what happens. Scored it up to the right.
Yeah, good finds.
Okay, we're on the green. I mean, just look at this course. If you haven't been to Wildcat out here in Houston, you're missing out. This is the Lakes course. We'll have to film at the Highlands on another day, but this is just beautiful out here. Okay. That's looking good. Oh, that's good. All right, On The Fringers. Still in it, fighting it back, all square now after 2. I think I've poked the bear enough to where Robert's gonna start turning it up. Bring it. So this is a tricky par 5, pretty much a 3-shot hole. These guys out here, that's the line. Just put the ball in the fairway. There is water that is obviously between the tee box and the fairway, and then there's water between that fairway and the next fairway. So 2 good shots, get you on the green, get you a look for birdie. Straight into the wind, Robert said it's 300 to get to the water, so I might have to lay off the driver a little bit. Oh, yeah, hammered. Somebody's pissed off after the last hole. Some juice on that one. It's still running. All right, I have about 270 to reach the green. There's water all in front of the green. I don't want anything to do with that. So I'm gonna lay up here. Get myself about 100 yards in. We're dead into the wind. You can probably see the camera shaking right now. It is nasty wind right now. So about a 200-yard club. Give myself a good shot in. Yep, a little lower than I wanted, but that's gonna work just fine. Looks like he's going with the iron to lay up there. That's probably the smart play here. 220 to the middle. Gonna hit an 8-iron, give himself a good number in. It's great contact. The wind's gonna eat that up. It's gonna go about 100 yards. Good ball. All right, we got 88 into the wind, very much into the wind. So I'm actually gonna try and hit a 100-yard shot. I got some room behind the flag, so that wind may even help come bring it back. Yep. Pin high, did the math right. 88, yeah.
86.
They just barely beat me, folks. Be careful following after me. That gets dangerous. Playing it low. Okay, just on the back fringe there. Hey, Robert, you're on the fringe, on the fringe. That's too meta, bro. One up after 3. This has been back and forth all day long. It's one of my best golfing buddies I got, so makes for a good match every time we play. Well, this is a pretty cool par 3. Obviously, we got water right here. Green is definitely playing uphill. I think we got about 170 uphill, so probably playing about 180 or so. All right, I got about 170. It's the gapper. I'm on brand. I'm on the fringe. Ooh, that's looking pretty nice. Iron right's trying to draw back. Yep. Oh, it's just a little bit short. Right with me. All right, we got the highest elevations in the city of Houston here. Well, no blood there, but that's a wonderful display of short game prowess by both of us. One up, going to the next one. All right, so this one is a big boy hole. This is gonna be the line. See this bunker straight ahead? It's gonna dogleg to the left from there. So you're actually gonna be hitting over this brush here. So I'm gonna aim at that bunker with a draw. That's a good one right there. Hey, Robert, what driver are you hitting?
Mizuno ST200.
Mizuno ST200. How you like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Fujikura Atmos 6X. Sharp.
The extra stiff. He's telling me earlier how much he likes that driver, and he's hitting it well today. That was piped. That should carry the bunker. Yeah, that's a bomb. Great ball. All right, I'm in a good spot here. Got about 150 to the flag. It is downhill and it is downwind, so I don't need a lot of club here. Come out of the rough, it should jump a little bit too. Let's get on the green, make a birdie. I didn't see it land. Robert goes like 5 feet. Yeah, no pressure here, Robert. 137. It's probably about a pitching wedge for you?
Yeah, downwind, downhill.
Downwind, downhill, pitching wedge. That's a little fat, but it might get a good kick forward. Okay. Short of the green. Okay. Shot. All right, 2 up with 4 to play. Got a short par 4 here. Let's take a look here. So you can see the green out there in the distance. We're gonna lay up just short to the left there. That's gonna get you about 100 yards in. It's the gapper. Again, getting tired of saying that. Right where I aimed it. It's hitting well, it's kind of turning over. I don't know, I didn't see it down. We'll have to see up there. It was hit well. All right, so we found Robert. Unfortunately, there's no way of seeing the pin from here. It's behind those trees. He's got 116.
Somewhere.
He's gonna hit a good one right here. Oh, that's well struck. Sounded like green. We'll have to see. All right, I got about 130, but it looks like it's got about 10 yards of uphill to it. So we are downwind and they may cancel each other out. We're just gonna hit our 135 club and see what happens. Oh, get lucky. Thin it to win it, baby. All right, so this is a fun short par 4. Again, kind of a blind tee shot. We're just gonna be aiming right up here towards that bunker there. Oh yeah. Be the number. Woo! Shot. All right, I got 120. Got a really awkward lie here. I'm just gonna take a pitching wedge. We're a little downwind. This should be this stick right here. Gonna get to practice my beach game. All right, so that's a 3-2 win. I gotta really thank my buddy Robert here. He's a really good friend of mine. He played really well on the front, and the back nine just wasn't his day. So we'll have to get back out here on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, give us a like, leave us a comment, smash that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 by the end of the year. We'll see you guys at the next one.